Today we from Group 14 want to present about real estate market for residential and commercial areas in Ampang Jaya, Ampang Selangor. Next. So this is my group member. First, Siti Marisa Shazana binti Zahari, Muhammad Haziq bin Muhammad Hazan, and I, Muhammad Hafizul Aizat bin Zahari. Next.
First, for the introduction, I will start with the background of the study area. The name Ampang comes from the Chinese miners who built a dam from Bukit Belacan to a town area of Ampang, which is today named Ampang Point, to extract tin. Because of the Chinese emphasis when pronouncing Malay terms, the word Ampang, which is dam, was pronounced as Ampang. Ampang Jaya is located to the east of Kuala Lumpur and encompasses the parliamentary seats of Ampang, Pandan and Gombak. It spans from Pandan Indah in the south through Ampang Town, Hulu Klang and Melawati, and touches the Klang Gates Dam in the north. Here, in the map, we can see the location of Ampang Jaya. Next.
Okay, so for methodology, we use source from the internet to collect the data collection. The research is based on information from Property Guru and reference to single-story terrace house, double-story terrace house, condominiums, and the retail lot in Ampang Jaya, Selangor. Next. So, for a calculation of yield, for single-story terrace house, the average yield 3.66%. For double-story terrace house, average yield is 3.64%. We have 10 property house for each. Next. For condominium, the average yield is 4.57%. And lastly, a shop lot, average yield is 7.72%. Next.
For the part discussion is first for a single story terrace house. They show that the highest yield is 4.80% with 490,000 ringgit Malaysia for the values at Taman Ampang Jaya. The house has provided three bedrooms and two bathrooms. The property is leasehold with 1,870 square feet. Besides, the lowest yield is 2.42% with 522,000 ringgit Malaysia for the values at Taman Pandan Mewah in the Ampang Jaya area. The house also has three bedrooms and two bathrooms. The property is leasehold with 1,000 square feet. As we see the result in the table, we should invest in the house at Taman Ampang Jaya. The presence of LRT makes the people's movement easier and it will be an attraction for a family with various backgrounds and careers to live in. Besides, the environment there will be healthier as the carbon emission percentage is lower in any other places. Hence, this place will be more comfortable, which is also an attraction to people who live in. Second, for the double-story terrace house, they shows that the largest difference market value for each house. They show that the is 7% with 422,000 ringgit Malaysia for the values at Taman Bakti Ampang in the Ampang Jaya area. The house has provided three bedrooms and two bathrooms. The property is leasehold with 1,274 square feet. Besides, the lowest yield is 2.84% with 650,000 ringgit Malaysia at Taman Kelab UK in the Ampang Jaya area. The house also provided three bathrooms and two bathrooms. The property is leasehold, remaining in 63 years with 1,350 square feet. As a result, we should invest in a house at Taman Bakti Ampang for a double-story house in the Ampang Jaya area. In our opinion, the majority of the population in Malaysia is Muslim. As a result, It is simple for Muslims to pray there because it is located in a desirable location within a residential neighborhood. In addition, many facilities are available there, such as petrol stations, school, and supermarkets. This house is appropriate for any family because it is both worth purchasing and renting. And for the part of condominium, they show that the highest yield is 7%, which is 310,000 ringgit Malaysia for the values on the Puncak Engineering condominium. This condominium provides 4 rooms and 3 bathrooms. This property is freehold with 1,560 square feet. Besides, the lowest yield is 1.88% with 660,000 ringgit Malaysia for the values on the Brazza Hill condominium. This condominium provides 3 rooms and 3 bathrooms. This property is leasehold and the square feet is 1,100 square feet. As a result, we can see that we should be investing more in the Puncak Engineering condominium in the Ampanjai area. It is because they have a 24-hour security at the main entrance with the aim of keeping around the populated area. So the area surrounding the population will be protected.
So, as a conclusion, we as a researchers for real estate investment study residential properties such as two-story houses, single-story houses, condominiums, and commercial properties such as shop lots. For us, a high yield has its own worth when we invest in real estate investment. Taking into account all the factors of marketability and convenience of a selected property area can help facilitate the affairs of a buyer. For us, the buyer investigator should buy a residential or commercial property that should provide all the needs and wants. Lastly, thank you for lending
Thank
your ears. But our
thank you, Dr. Chang.
presentation.